Okay, let me show exactly what AI saved me this month. And I think that most people don't realize that AI not only can save you time, but can make you money. How? Basically by saving your time. Look, what I have done this week: meta reporting, 2.5 hours per week, emails, 4 hours per week, content and scheduling. It can last a lot, let's say 21 hours. Follow-ups, 2.5 hours. Reports, memos that I create for my course, 5 hours. About 35 hours a week I used to spend doing the repetitive tasks, just gone. And that now I just review them and hit publish. So what does it mean in terms of money? Let's say you have your own hour rate, and your own hour rate you determine according to your monthly payment or a payment that you want to pay yourself. Let's say my hour rate 90 euros. That's around 2,700 a month that I've just saved. 34,000 a year. At a freelancer rate, if you hire someone, you may be paying 50,000 a year to do this work. A full salary I never had to pay. And I may be just a halfway of implementing all this inside my brand and the time and money that I can save. So very quick hello, if you are new here, I'm Inga. I run an AI augmented fashion brand and I teach other founders to do the same. And everything I share in my real journey is nothing theoretical. Everything I do, I share with you, because I believe we as creative people, we deserve an abundant life, not a burnout one. And if this helps you build even a slightly better one, I've done my job. So follow along and stick around and let's build this together. Now run your own math. Your monthly pay divided by number of hours you work in a month, you will find your rate and then multiply this rate all the hours you can save yourself by putting those operations that you do daily, repetitive tasks, giving it to AI employee. That's what you are paying to stay busy. Okay, all this money that you cannot save, you are paying to stay busy. The question was never, should I learn AI? It's which task is stealing your money first. That's what we map in our free Founder AI Bootcamp. If you're interested to join, work with me on your automations, it's time to do it now. Why now? Well, because it's summer, and it's summer you have less things to do. It's not the question of going to vacations and take some time. You can do it during your vacations. So when you come back on September, you're fully automated and you don't need to think about your email marketing, content marketing, ads. You can just create your next collection, publish it with AI employees. Come and build, and I will send you all the details so you can join AI Bootcamp today.